Very gorgeous. Good evening from Sobanban now. Look at the view of the nature. Is that stunning? Would you love to stay here for your view and for the peace? Book through WhatsApp or Telegram 012 497 228 in Cambodia. This is a peaceful evening at Sobanban. I just took this video now. Sayon សួស្តីពីសុបិនបានកំពតសូមបុកតាមលេខទូរស័ព្ទ012 497 2228ស្អាតណាស់សូមបងប្អូនប្រុសស្រីមកស្នាក់នៅដើម្បីសេរីសួស្តីសុភមង្គលរស់នៅដើម្បីទេសភាពដ៏ល្អស្អាតហើយនឹងដើម្បីសន្តិភាពផ្លូវចិត្ត Is that incredible? That's awesome. So beautiful. So gorgeous. Haha. I never want to leave this place because very beautiful. Always. Each day have a unique of the beauty of the nature. មួយថ្ងៃមានភាពស្អាតប្លែកគ្នាมันអាចដូចគ្នាឡើយសូមមើលចុះទេសភាពនេះតើស្អាតទេបងប្អូនអើយពិសេសខ្លាំងណាស់ខ្ញុំតែងតែរីករាយនឹងទេសភាពដែលព្រះបានឲ្យអូយស្អាតវៃម្លេះទេមាសមេអើយសូមគយគុណឲ្យបានហើយស្អាតខ្លាំងណាស់ព្រះអើយស្អាតអស្ចារ្យស្អាតអ្វីឡើងទេ The bird is chirping so gorgeous peaceful with the view of the sunset. Good evening from Sobanban. Gorgeous, so gorgeous. Please come for the view, stay for the peace at Sobanban. Book through 012 497 228 via WhatsApp or Telegram. Spend your peaceful mind. It will refresh and recharge your soul and your mind.